Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to auto-share every new YouTube video to LinkedIn, X, and Threads using Make.com and Gemini AI. No code, no copy-paste, just pure automation magic. Let's dive right in. Here's the goal. Whenever I publish a new video on my channel, I want a LinkedIn post with a catchy intro and the video link. A tweet that also goes to Threads through Buffer, again with the link. Everything happens in under a minute, hands-free. Perfect for busy creators and marketers. On the screen, you can see my Make.com scenario. First node, I use Apify's YouTube scraper. I give it my channel URL and set limit to 1, so it always fetches only the newest video. It returns the title, URL, and thumbnail. Next, the router. Think of it as a traffic cop. It sends the same video data into 2 separate lanes at the same time. In the first thread, I ask Gemini, write an engaging LinkedIn post about video, highlight one key takeaway, add the link to the video, keep it under 2200 characters. A second later, I get polished text. Next, I connect my LinkedIn account and map Gemini's response to the post content field, hit save, done. In another thread, almost the same, but shorter, write a tweet about video under 280 characters, add link, and then Buffer pushes that tweet to both X and Threads. 1 click, 2 platforms. Now let's run the scenario once, watch the logs. Green checks everywhere. Let me refresh LinkedIn. And there you go, the post is live. If I open X, the tweet is there. Threads, same story, automation works. Finally, I flip the toggle to schedule the scenario weekly on specific days. Now, each time I release a video, my social channels light up automatically. Why this matters. Saves at least 10 minutes per video. Keeps branding and voice consistent with AI copy. Boosts reach across 3 networks without extra effort. To try it yourself, all you need is a free Make.com account, an Apify token, Gemini API key, LinkedIn and Buffer connected. Links are in the description. If this workflow helps you, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI automations, and drop a comment with the next process you want me to automate. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.